There are several other types of data transfer between scripts that'll be indispensable in the course of developing any interactive application. In the first type, the user selects, often from a drop-down, what data they want displayed, and this is used to display the full details of some record, or joins between records of multiple tables in a database. In a second type, a detailed form is supplied to the user. They fill in the form and click Save, and the data is posted to a script to be checked, and if it's OK, saved in a database. And a table of data can be displayed, and the user is given the option on each row to edit or delete the record represented by that row. Most of these will use the post data construct, where we create an HTML form that uses the post method to send data to another PHP script. In our case, we're sending it to the two-page model output. So this form, you guessed it, will go in our script, two-page model form. In the second script, in the two-page model output, we collect the data using not $_get this time, but $_post. Now, just before we go on, notice in our browser, when we used the two-page model form and clicked Send Details, in the address bar, the actual query string appears. !, company name equals TMIT World Limited, ampersand, username equals infinite. Let's now look at putting this together using post. In our two-page model form script, open up the snippets forms post and paste in the form person name. This creates an HTML form with the method post and the action two-page model output.php, which of course is our other script. We have some hints here, echo enter first name, and then an input type in the form. The type is text, and the name is what we're going to post. Save your model form, go to the two-page model output, and inside the connection trap, paste the corresponding $post person name. This uses the post construct to collect the variable name person first name, which is actually the posted data person first name from the first form, and the other one, person last name, and echoes a sentence containing those two variables. Save that as well. So the form, once we refresh the forms folder, the two-page model form provides us with a form. Enter first name and enter a last name and submit the query. And it says the name you entered was Fred Space Blogs, which is precisely what we had here. The name you entered was first name concatenated with space concatenated with last name. Just for a moment, let's look at that again, put in the names, submit the query, and notice there is no query string data appended to the URL in the address bar. So post doesn't put the data in the address bar, which of course makes it slightly more secure. Let's go on to look at some more complex examples.